Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of portable charging with the best vape battery pen USB charger on the market. Introducing the USB Adaptor Smart USB Thread Charger by Kgtncr. This intelligent USB charger isn't just your ordinary power adapter. It's packed with features designed to make your charging experience safer, more efficient, and incredibly convenient. Let's start with its smart USB thread charger technology. This innovative feature ensures that your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently, whether it's your favorite vape pen, flashlight, or even a soldering iron. And here's the kicker. The USB Adaptor Smart USB Thread Charger isn't just compatible with any USB device. It's specifically designed for threaded charging interfaces, providing seamless compatibility and reliable performance every time. Crafted from high-quality materials, this charger is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy chargers that break after a few uses. With the USB Adaptor Smart USB Thread Charger, you're investing in long-term reliability and performance. Plus, its compact and convenient design makes it perfect for travel or everyday use. Slip it into your pocket or bag, and you'll always have power on the go, whether you're on a business trip or exploring the great outdoors. Now, let's talk about safety. We all know the importance of protecting our devices from overcharging and short circuits. With integrated safety features, this charger prioritizes the safety of your devices, giving you peace of mind during every charging session. No more worrying about damaging your valuable electronics. The USB Adaptor Smart USB Thread Charger has got you covered. Now, you might be wondering where you can get your hands on this incredible charger. Well, you're in luck. The USB Adaptor Smart USB Thread Charger is available on Amazon.com, with fast and reliable shipping straight to your doorstep. And there you have it, folks, the best vape battery pen USB charger on the market. Don't settle for anything less when it comes to powering up your devices. Invest in the USB Adaptor Smart USB Thread Charger today, and experience charging like never before. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Until next time, stay charged.